Hi, I'm Wayne Sweet from Watt Realty. Downsizers, families, investors, this one's for you. A high-end renovation in a beautiful, quiet street, yet walking distance to bustling Gympie Road. Welcome to 17 Sutherland Drive, Strathpine. I have something very special to present to the market. An affordable, yet fully renovated and modernised home with a luxurious feel. Not an inch of this house, inside or out, has been spared from this quality renovation. The home features one of the finest kitchens I've seen. 30mm granite bench tops, induction AEG cooktop, new stainless oven, Miele integrated dishwasher, glass splashbacks, and soft close drawers, to name a few. The kitchen is the hub of this home and overlooks the dining and 2 lounge rooms, one for the kids and one for the parents. The spacious home also features 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, plus a perfectly renovated ensuite. The home presents in as-new condition and is finished to a very high standard. The home also features a Fujitsu split system air conditioner and brand new lighting throughout, including LED downlights. An added feature of the property is the carport with remote door and drive-through access to the rear yard. Do you want to re-fall in love with your home every time you walk through the front door? Are you looking for a superb renovation? If you're watching on social media, just click the ad where you can book an inspection and even make an online offer. See you at the open home.